Hi, my friends, and welcome back to Sable Hearth, where the warmth of the home begins at the heart. I'm Bonita Davis, and I'm so glad that you are here today as we enter my most favorite time of the year, Christmas. So why don't you grab a cup of coffee and join me as I share with you a few decorating ideas of how you can make your table warm and inviting this Christmas. On this tablescape, I've layered a mix of wood, woven textures, and delicate porcelain to create a look that's both timeless and refined. The rich, natural warmth of the wood chargers grounds the table, giving it a sense of rustic charm. The woven textures of the placemats brings in an earthy feel, adding a little more visual interest and a touch of coziness. Finally, the delicate porcelain plates, which are some of my favorites from Kirkland, adds an intricate green evergreen pattern that offers a little elegance, contrasting beautifully with the rustic elements beneath them. I've added berries to create a festive, inviting atmosphere. The deep, vibrant cranberry tones bring a sense of warmth and joy to the table, perfectly reflecting the holiday spirit. To give my chandelier a stunning, elegant look for the holidays, I added these beautiful hanging crystals. It's an easy, budget-friendly way to add a glamorous touch that will elevate the entire space, turning an everyday chandelier into a beautiful holiday centerpiece. My favorite things on my indoor tablescape this year are my bow tie napkins. The great thing about living in South Carolina is that even around Christmas time or November or December, the weather is nice enough to still enjoy outdoor dining. For this tablescape, I chose a solid colored patterned pillow mixed with a solid colored napkin to complement a multicolored table runner. Over the years, I've learned to be a little bit more experimental. I used to be very reserved about mixing patterns and textures, and now I've learned that when you mix those patterns and layer in some texturing, it just adds a whole lot more character to your tablescapes. Next in line to my love for decorating is my love for a tasty holiday treat. My daughter is preparing a delicious drink that is sure to be a holiday favorite. Thank you so much for watching, my friends. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time, remember, no home is completely decorated without love.